Yo, yo, everybody, what's up? We are live. Let's see. Yeah, we are live. All right, tis time. What a wonderful day to be alive. I want to finish quick because I want to go play some Minecraft, build some things. So we're here to just sit, do the money, and when we made the money, we need to go. Welcome! Today is Thursday. I wasn't live the previous days because I had stuff to do. I had to go to the dentist. I had to go here. I had to go there. Crazy. Yeah, crazy. So, let's see now. There you go. We're up and running. Very interesting charts we got today, so stick around for more stuff. Definitely, we are trading 6 funded accounts plus 1 eval account. 6 funded accounts plus 1 eval account. So what we're doing is what we need. Who's in the chat? The best OGs from the chat. We got Sarif. And definitely Angel, probably. She's somewhere in there, probably. Nice. Who's in the chat? Sarif, Angel, who else? Don Moloch. I haven't seen that man in a while. Haven't seen him in a while. I honestly didn't. Very interesting setup. 4 minutes before market opens and we begin the plan. Just chill. Just don't do stupid stuff, know your risk, know your stuff. Know how you want to trade, what you want to trade. Focus on one setup. Bear flag, bull flag. Trade that for a month, see what happens. Oh my days. Definitely grew in discipline for the last 1 month or so. 1 second. My bad, guys. Somebody knocked at the door. My bad. Dude. Ah. So that was fun. Well, how late is it, boys? 25. It's one tiny more minute. Very interesting charts. Very interesting. Especially this bad boy here. Oh my days. Wow. Who's in the chat? Say hello. Say hello. Don't be shy. Come in the chat. Say hello. Come on. We're gonna make some money. Don't be so serious in trading. Don't be so serious in trading. Talk to somebody. Talk to someone in the chat. Of course, in the beginning, when you have the learning curve, and we're always learning, but in the beginning, it's best that if you're on learning, and you're definitely like focus on what you're doing. But after you get disciplined enough, just so that you keep your discipline, don't keep your head in the chart all day long. Make the money. If you lose a little bit, get out. That's simple. Hey, Angel Avila, hello. In the chat. Let's go. Leave a like on the stream. Leave a like on the stream. It doesn't cost anything and it helps us grow as a channel. So, it's time that we begin the plan. Get ready. Anyone else? Okay, we're at all-time high. The damn Nasdaq. On the ES, trying to see the ES. ES at the all-time highs as well. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. ES at the all-time highs. Trying to push here. Let's see if we can get some pullback. We're having a gap to the downside, so be careful for that. Okay, just be careful. Getting long or short at the all-time highs again is very tricky. It looks like he wants to push, but I wish we had this set up under the all-time highs. Like somewhere here, I would be comfortable getting long at open, but hourly chart, no pullback. 15-minute chart also like straight. This was the clear pullback, or this tiny little pullback we had here was the last like clear a bit of consolidation before we pushed up more. Now we're making kind of a new setup on the 5-minute chart. The 3-minute, the 2-minute chart, everything is just bullish, bullish, bullish. But let's just see, because we got a gap to the downside here, so we're gonna mark this out as something that needs to be closed down. We're gonna do it on all of them. So, can you guys hear me clear? Great. All right, let's switch. The plan is be careful and don't get long or short until we're being shown a setup. Because I'm willing to play more on the idea of pulling back rather than on the idea of keep pushing. But you can always prove us wrong. Just be patient. See, keep your risk down. As a trader, that's your job, to keep your risk down. And that's it. All right. Turn off the camera here. We're gonna prepare. We're gonna prepare. Let's go. We're doing the 600 accounts. We got that gap. See if we can dump below that 150 area. How much do we have left? About, yeah, 30. Okay, so on the 3-minute chart, I want this to go below the 150s here. 150s, definitely a place that I would like to see pull back into. Pull back, you know, dump below it. But this looks good for a long. But what we're seeing is not always what will happen, is it? The open is quite volatile in these instances. The pre-market really pushed itself to new highs, quite literally. Look at that. Look at that. Exactly why you don't get long at open at the all-time highs. Exactly why. The ES dumps. Damn. Go boys, man. Boys. This goes. This is going. Yo. Yes, pulling back into that view up area. What are we on the Nasdaq? We're still we're freaking far off of the view on the Nasdaq. But overall on the 15-minute chart, looking bullish. Looking very, very bullish. But the 15-minute charts, always doing that, you know. I just want to let this do its thing. I don't want to take any trades. Let it do its thing. See where we can get. Take good setups that have a high chance of playing in our favor. I hope for a good price action above everything else. Very weird, man. Very weird. What is these? What is these, bro? Look at that. Look at that, man. So not comfortable getting short. It's everything, it just goes against me. It's like theoretically everything is against me right now. I just cannot. It's like I don't see my plan, my setup playing out. That's why I don't want to take any trades. I don't see setup. I don't take trades. It's a no-go. I'm keeping an eye on ES. What that bad boy does, it will be what the Nasdaq will do. Understood? This is creepy. Just be patient today. All-time highs, quite nasty. This is a very quite. This is a decent piece of work, guys. Decent piece of work. Sorry. ES returning up there. Ooh, interesting. Gonna keep an eye on the bigger time frames on the Nasdaq, definitely. What I'd like to see is maybe a retest at the all-time highs, previous all-time high, which is at 25,026. This dude, bro. Confirmation. Confirmation. It's so hard to get either long or short at the all-time highs, like mentally. It's such a weight. There's the view up on the Nasdaq, approaching it. I don't even know. I hate this. It does everything that we want it to, but the price is just terrible. Oh well, can we have it all day? It's so hard mentally to just get short there, you know. It's hard, boys. You know, I want this to go back up there into the 34s if I'm gonna get short here. Take a look at this bastard. Like this, if this is gonna push up there 34s, because I'm not getting short here. This has to push somewhere. I am not getting short here. I need a setup. For God's sake. I don't get it. I don't get the ES is also shitting on us. Oh, nah, bro. That's why. No, man. This looks good, though. This looks good. This looks like a perfect short opportunity, but... Damn. Damn, brother. Oh, yeah, Angel. It's bad. It's good, but it's bad too. It's neither. ES going nowhere. Popping. Nasdaq giving short opportunities, almost as if baiting you into getting short, and then what it does is like probably a rip. It does something stupid like a rip. Like I don't know, like I need bearish structure. Look at this. It's just I'm sleepy as well, you know. Oh Lord! What is this? That was another 35 points. What is this doing? What's the ES doing? Target that low down there. 25,000. I don't know if we're gonna go back all the way down to the 25,000 area. But bruh, I need something. Give me something. Give me anything. Give me anything, really. Maybe push back up there into the 110s here. I don't know. Just do something. I mean, it's doing, but this doesn't mean that it's good. Even though something looks like a setup does not mean you should trade it. If it doesn't have the right circumstances, you do not trade it. Let me check the daily chart. 1 second. Oh, we're pulling back. Sellers definitely stepping in. Right at the low, 79's there. Bounce off the low. .80 point. That's insane. Insane. Like genuinely, I think we're gonna be closing the gap today, but I just need to be patient enough. Patience. We're officially below the view up. We're on the view up. On the ES. ES cracking lows finally. And now we need some sort of setup. I don't know where this wants to go, but I just want to follow it. I hope. Do we have news? It keeps going down. Yeah. Look at it. It just keeps going. It just doesn't stop. Right now it seems to be stopping, but no, yeah, it keeps going down. Look at this. And I mean, it's not even the good position to get short because it's at the all-time highs and you don't know what it's gonna do. It can do anything pretty much. It's like a gamble. That's why I don't like it. But yeah, it literally keeps going down. Just down. Just going downtown. Just look at these charts. Just look at these charts. All the way down. This doesn't stop. No back on the chart. Neither of the 3-minute chart. Just a huge candle to the downside. Here. You go, like, look at this. What is this? What in the world is this? This is 100 points down. A fortune. I want to see something, bro. Something good. The gap to the downside is trying to get closed. Yes, finally. Dumping below the view up. Now we're getting something. And I'm just gonna trade what I see. I'm not gonna trade what I want. I'm gonna trade what I see. Just be patient. Being patient really doesn't cost you anything. It really doesn't. I'm not stuck into the 80s. I show my days. Like, when are you gonna stop? Like, when are you gonna do something and give us what we need without having to, you know? I'm waiting for a pullback because if I guarantee you, if I went short here, it would have kept going up. It would have like kept going up until it pulled me out. Guaranteed. Got short here, would have kept going up. If it got short here. So bad. So bad. The scary part about this is eventually when the buyers will be seeing a good price to buy at, this will go so fast back up, like you're gonna think that it's almost a reversal. Nah, man, this is not normal. I'm just waiting here on the sidelines, trying to like get something as well, but clearly doesn't want to do shit. It's like it doesn't pull back significantly enough for me to get the confirmation to enter a trade. Be patient. I'm just gonna sit back. One plan would be I'm actually gonna look at the cumulative delta. All of a sudden, this is going down and down. We need that for this type of stuff. A pullback is appropriate. How deep of a pull? That's the question. Like surely the gap will get closed for sure. Today or tomorrow, getting closed, or this by the end of the week. This is getting closed, but I don't know when. I don't know how. I need some type of. The bad thing about being at all-time highs is this easily kept going. That's a big problem. This could have easily kept going. We got short. Something would have happened that it kept going up. Oh my days. Let's wait and see, people. We might be getting another short opportunity, but a good one this time. Like something genuine. Gonna keep an eye on the 3-minute chart. See what we're doing on it. See if we can actually retest on the VWAP on the ES. That would be actually something that I'd really like to play into. Let the distribution happen right now. That's what we know how to happen. Let the distribution happen. Retest the VWAP. Like do it. Get up there into the 80 possibly. That's something that I'd like really to see happen. Get up there into the 80s. Keep pushing on it, you know. Wait for the distribution to happen. Just wait and see. Wait and see. If ES keeps pushing here into the VWAP, I'd expect this to push as well. Into the 80s. That would be a great level to retest. Into the 80s. This is so far off of 21 EMAs as well. Sketchy. Just patience. Just patience. Watching the ES. This just didn't play out the way I wanted it to. Shit. So bad. Getting really bored. I think we're gonna be heading down there 25,000. No trades taken. This is by far one of these sessions where it tests your nerves to the max. Like you can't help. Like I have to do something, right? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait 10 more minutes until 4 o'clock. And if we don't get a proper setup until 4 o'clock, I'm out. Trades or not, I'm out. I'll be waiting for tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna try this short. Wait, I sold. I need the stop loss. Just gonna not get greedy, take it down there. Not, I'm just gonna take it out of here. brother. This was the second stop loss, break-even stop loss in a row. What on earth is this? Oh my god, dude. This is genuinely ass. Can't even begin to like... I have no complaints for how shit it is. Literally, bro. 8 cents. No losses. I actually should be happy about it. I don't know why I'm actually getting upset. Genuinely, I am kind of getting upset. It's just so bad. Look at that. I would have got stopped. Actually, you know what? I'm happy with this. I'm happy with it. Otherwise, I would have... If I kept let it go, it would have fucked me up. This would have fucked me. This would have did it. This would have really screwed me up. And we closed the gap on the QQ. What did I say? Close the gap. All-time highs? Are you serious? How long is this gonna keep ripping to an all-time high like this? I genuinely hate all-time highs. For an investor, it might be because, you know, getting higher value, the stuff that you bought gets value and all of that. But honestly, for us traders, all-time highs are ass. Screw all-time highs. Like, I like it when it goes up on all-time highs on Bitcoin, not when it goes up on the market, on the futures market. This is ass. Now we just wait. View up on the ES. I'm not sure here. I want to go short again, but just want to observe the market. Maybe today is a good lesson. Maybe this trade that happened here is a good lesson to just wait and see. Again? Oh my god. How? What is this dog water? What? Oh my days. It's probably gonna go now into the tens here. Look at this. Like, genuinely, bro, what are you supposed to do? My dude. My dude. What are you supposed to do? No money lost on my funded accounts and neither on my eval, but I'm just saying. It sucks. Another week that sucks, right? So we get a good week, then we get a week that sucks. So I guess this is the cycle. Oh my days. This is so boring. I think I'm gonna leave. 3 more minutes. I'm gonna wait still. 3 more minutes. Just three. In 3 minutes, and I don't think it will happen. 3 minutes, and I'll leave. Because I do not want to partake in this. I'm gonna go about my day. You know what I mean? It's best that we leave to see a very good day that we're gonna be very happy about, instead to see this junk, this little piece of junk. I think 25,000 is in target. Today, by the way, I'm gonna go sleep because I also have a hard time like staying awake right now. Got a little bit too late to sleep. Maybe I should sleep at 10 instead of 11 or 12. Oh boy. I wouldn't be surprised if this went up here into the 80s. See what this does. We're having a chop. This is choppy. Wait for the chop to be over and then go. Drop a like on the stream, boys. Drop a like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 51 subscribers. Let's go. Oh, nice. Just wants to push maybe up here to the EMA. Wouldn't hate the idea. Would have got stopped out in this one. Fuck. I don't want to ask for it. Genuinely. Look at it. Yes, maybe we retest again the view up. 71's up here. No, view up retest might always be, you know, something. Now this is looking interesting. Yes. Today I took 2 trades. So uneventful. So uneventful. Genuinely, this is scary. Okay, finally. There's the 70s. We need to go up there into the 80s. It aligned itself perfectly. It aligned itself perfectly for a set that I don't know if it plays out. If it play out the way I wanted to. 5-minute charge looks pretty comfy to take a short, but not sure, bro. Not sure. There it is. There it is. There's the 80s. There's the 80s. Is this trade? Potential trade? Maybe. What's the performance center say? $2. Oh my days. What is this? Wanna try see how this goes. Yes, keeps holding. I wanna see how the Nasdaq acts in this situation. Because I really wanna go, but I wanna see how it acts. Weird price action. Very, very weird. Look at that. So weird. Oh. ES. Holding, holding, holding. What you gonna do, buddy? Make your mind. Make your mind, yes. Make up your mind, dude. Make up your mind. Where are you gonna go? Do you think he wants to go low? Nasdaq's being held up. This is not good. Yes is going, but this isn't. Shady. Shady. I might just get out. Who's in the chat? Come on. Jesus, good lord. This is going, but the Nasdaq isn't going. This is so shady. This is so bad. It's like it's trying to. The Nasdaq's like up for scams. The ES kind of made a move, but not us. Thank you guys so much for all of my subscribers who are supporting this channel, like the stream. Let's go, boys. I hope we can get to a first payout. Let's get to a first payout. It's not even in question at this point. Looking at the 5-minute chart. I mean, there it is. There's a 5-minute chart. We got 4 viewers on the stream. Wow. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna turn my camera on back at the end of the stream. So don't worry. Come on, bro. I'm just waiting to see. I'm trying to like have an as accurate as possible entry. And this little fucker. Then the ES already made its move, and this is the move that I want to see on the ES as well. But when the ES goes down first, and then the Nasdaq follows, as soon as the ES pulls back a little bit, the Nasdaq will pull up higher. That's the problem with this. That's the big problem. Only took one trade. As you can see, it's plus 6 PA accounts. Let's see. gonna maybe half it down to 7. Know what I mean? Half it down to like 7. 7 micros. That being said, it's 1 micro per account. If you guys think I'm over leveraging, I'm not. Not over leveraging. 100%. See how this candle closes. Come on. Get down below the 50s. Allow me to take a trade. Or actually, I won't be upset if it doesn't go the way we want it to. Just sucks. Updates. No trades. No trades taken. Only one. And it was break even. So no loss on the account. We're all good. We're all good. Updates. Okay, let me re-update this. I might not even trade anymore. 14 micros. I might not even trade anymore. This is too ugly. We're gonna change the charts and we're gonna see. Someone's asking in the chat for updates. Okay, it's updates. Here it comes. Bring me to my chart, please. Okay, there we go. Okay, so Nasdaq pulling back. Chart pulling back. Hourly chart pulling back. We're having this type of like consolidation now. So there's not much we can do. There's just a massive consolidation area. Unfortunately, this didn't go through, and if we didn't go through here, this could have ended up very badly. Nothing. It's flat. It's basically flat. It's like in this range. It's from here to here. Not doing anything. Just stuck in a range. It already made its move. That's the interesting point. The ES made its final move, and we closed the gaps on the SPY here, closed the gap on the QQQ as well. But the overall price action just sucked. The ES had better price action. Like here, I could have seen like, okay, I'm gonna try this short. This looks good. But the Nasdaq has different plans, and this is exactly the guy we're trading. So not doing anything, just messed up. So what I'm gonna do now, just because I'm bored, and when I'm bored, and if I'm trading when I'm bored, I will do stupid stuff. I'm just gonna go away from here. This is clearly not the day to trade Nasdaq. If you trade yes, then you probably made some money. You know, you made some money when this dumped from here. The best setup I would say was the one from. That was the one that had good money in it. I'm just gonna leave the Nasdaq as it is. Gonna exit every single account here. Gonna disable my accounts and gonna enter in each account. Make sure there's no orders whatsoever. So I want to make sure that there's no orders on it. Okay? Because I don't want to see shit. So I'm gonna go, just give me a second because this is not cool. This is so not cool. The ES literally may have another setup in for us. Can you imagine that? Eight. Account number 8. Account number 9. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna have to check my Apex accounts because I have an extra eval, even though I didn't buy it. I have an extra eval. Is this what? Does Apex like gift me something? What the hell? Wait, what? How do I have an extra eval? I literally have an extra eval. I literally have an extra account. What the shit? Okay, so I'm gonna just get out. But damn, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 funded accounts and 2 accounts. Where did that come from? I think this is an error. There's no way. I don't remember buying 2 eval accounts. There's no way. Just gonna shut down everything because this is stupid. Gonna try turning back on my camera here. As you can see, maybe now we'll get the move down, but look at this. I mean, bruh. How would you have known that this wanted to go to the view up? In such a day, it's not gonna do it. Okay, so here's... I have like an extra account for some reason. I'm gonna let the stream run for another 10 minutes and then... I'm gonna let it run with some nice music for you guys. The ES making moves. The Nasdaq doesn't. Lagging. And we're just gonna be patient. We have better setups on the ES today. So congratulations if you trade the ES and you cut that short. But for me, no trades again. I basically only one break-even trade. So I'm gonna quickly go and see what's happening with my Apex accounts, and where do I have like another one? That's very strange. So I'm gonna let the stream run for another 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. Friday, last day of the week. Can we make some money, please? If not, better week, better days, better weeks ahead of us from now on. Let's see what we can do in a whole month of trading with the proper risk management, proper discipline. Stay disciplined. The important thing is to not get, if you get frustrated, I don't care how upset you get. You can do the worst things ever, but don't touch the charts. Even if you get upset on a break-even trade, be happy you got that break-even trade because you could have lost money on that. So, the moral of the day, take the trade, it stops you at break-even, stop. You can get as upset as you want, but then don't touch the charts. Just do anything but touch the charts. You can even yell or scream at the charts. Just don't trade anymore. Don't try to make money when you don't lose anything. Don't try to make money also when you already made money. When you lose something, don't try to make that back. And don't try to make more when you've already made your money for the day. More money will come. You just have to be patient. So, that's the moral of the day. I'm gonna just stop it right here and, you know, I'm gonna look a nice music for you guys. So I'm just quickly gonna go add a good music for you guys. Playlists. The least we can do in a shitty day is vibe. Just vibe. Cost you nothing. "10 minutes, boys, 10 minutes." If you traded today and you didn't lose money, it's worth throwing a party for it. It's a win. In my book, it's a win. If you traded and you didn't lose money, it's a win. Stay break even and wait for the big days. It's gonna pay. Trust me. I know all about it. So, have a blast with me, boys. Come on. It's worth celebrating the fact that we didn't lose money. Okay? See you guys in 10 minutes. Yo, okay, boys. I'll be seeing you guys Friday, tomorrow. Let's go. W's in the chat. I'll be seeing you.